Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm base box unboxing. This is the $25 a month box. I did get this sent to me from Boxycharm, but I thought I would go ahead and do an unboxing and a try on today. I haven't done a try on in forever because Boxycharm was sending me their premium for a while, but I guess they stopped. I don't know what happened there, but that's cool because I did buy the premium, so I do have that one coming. So hopefully I can do another one with that box depending on what I get. But let's go ahead and see what we got in the Boxycharm base box for the month of January. I did go ahead and peek in here because I wanted to try on and see what all we were getting and if I was getting a complexion product or not, so I knew if I was going to put on foundation. But we did get a complexion product in here, surprisingly, and it looks like for Boxycharm the theme is Fresh Start, and I don't know if it has the box number. It has a weird number on it that's super long, so I don't know if that's because they sent this to me or what, so I don't know if that information is accurate. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into the products. So first up, we do have a skincare product, so I want to go ahead and start with that. It's actually really exciting, but we got a full-size pharmacy product. This is their newer product, the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. This literally just came out not that long ago, so it's really exciting to see it in Boxycharm this month, especially in the $25 base box. This does retail for $28, so this does pay for your box right there, which is awesome. So I have tried this before. I do have it in my collection. This will be a backup I might have to save for a little giveaway in the future. I've been doing so many giveaways lately, so I'm trying to catch up on getting all of my prizes shipped out, because December was a crazy giveaway month for me. But I do enjoy this. It's not my favorite BHA. I actually have my favorite on this table, which is the Paula's Choice. I literally just filmed a skincare video, and I don't feel like these work the exact same. This one works a little bit better for me, but I wouldn't say this is a bad product. So BHA is really great for if you guys have acne prone skin. Actually, it works as a liquid exfoliant, and I use that pretty much right after cleansing and before my moisturizer in the evenings. So this is what the bottle looks like. I feel like mine looks different. I feel like mine's more of a glass, and this looks like a frosted glass. Very interesting. But yeah, that's the pharmacy. I really enjoy pharmacy products. They are a clean skincare brand, and they do sell their stuff at Sephora. Alright, next up is all makeup. So let me go ahead and start with the complexion stuff. We have this from Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. So I got the shade LG2, which I think is light gold. I think they just sent me a random light shade, but it looks like this. I've never tried this from Pure. It says that it is a multi-purpose all-in-one SPF sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra-natural looking complexion. It retails for $35. I do feel like this is something nice to include in here because I feel like tinted moisturizers especially have been so popular in the new year and something that everyone is kind of gravitating towards instead of foundation. So we will be trying this out fairly shortly in this video, but I want to go ahead and unbox everything for you first. We got a couple lip products in here as well. So I have something from Serafine Botanicals. I've received a palette from them in an Ipsy bag, but this is a lip mask from them. So this is what it looks like. This is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. It says it's formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of dead skin cells and fine lines. It retails for $25. Actually seems kind of nice. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on just to like prep the lips. This is something I can apply pretty fast. So it does come out as like a thick jelly. It does smell like apple. Yum, that smells good. And I'm just going to apply this to the lips. It is a thicker consistency, but I never have like apple scented things, so this is kind of nice and different. I always have like vanilla, caramel. This feels really good. I'm excited about this. I do like lip masks. We did get another lip color. This one is from Trust Fund Beauty, and it's their Lipgasm. It's a lip gloss from them. This one retails for $18, and it says, a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. Okay, so here, oh goodness, this is really bright. It's like almost neon, so I will be trying this out a little bit later after I have my lip mask kind of settled in. But it's kind of, I feel like lately I've been getting a ton of lip products. Like I'd get 2 lip products in a box, which I feel like they should only do 1 and include something else. But anyways, moving on, I am so excited for this palette. This is from Violet Voss. We got an eyeshadow palette, and it is the Olive You Forever. I think this is going to be good. I've been loving greens. I'm wearing a green cardigan today, and I've just been loving greens on the eyes, so I don't even know what this looks like, but it sounds intriguing, so let's see. Ooh, I love it. I love it so much. Look at this color scheme, you guys. This is gorgeous. We got some neutrals and the olive pops in there. I feel like this color scheme is perfection. So I'm going to be trying this out on the eyes today, and I am very much excited about it. This one retails for $34. I've been noticing Violet Voss is constantly in different subscription boxes. I don't know if they're going more towards that route than, I don't know, maybe they're making stuff for the boxes. I don't know, because I just feel like at Sephora, not a lot of people buy them because we always get them in different subscriptions. But I don't feel like the quality is bad on them. I just feel like their popularity has kind of gone down. Anyways, that is everything in my Boxycharm base box. Let's go ahead and try the products out. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm just going to prime real quick with my NARS Smudge Proof Eye Base. And usually with these kind of darker tones like this, I always like to do my eyes first in case I have any fallout. Then I can easily clean it up without messing up my makeup. Alright, so in with my favorite brush, this is my Refer 01 brush. I'm going to go ahead and try out this mauve called Wishful into my crease. This is a really nice crease color. It's not too pink, if you guys are wondering. It definitely looks more brown on the eyes, but I like the tone of it. And I feel like it's perfect to kind of just blend out in that area. Next, I'm going to go in with this Infatuated Brown and also build this into the crease. This one is a little bit more warm toned, but I just want to darken that a little bit. This has really high pigment to it. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the black and test that out in the palette. This one is called Infinity because I feel like black and olive always looks really good together. I just use the same brush for everything. I don't really like to change my brush for certain things. This one's just, it does it all. So I'm going to dip lightly in that. Make sure I get off any fallout, but this palette really doesn't have a whole lot of fallout, which is nice. With black colors, I usually start very small and just try to get everything blended. And I'll kind of try to distribute the product on both sides so that we don't go overboard right away. And then that's when it gets a little bit harder to work with and can get a little patchy. On a little smudger brush, I'm going to take that Infatuated shade again, and I might mix it with a little bit of this darker brown up here for the lower lash line. Next, I wet my brush. I'm going to go in with this olive shade called Olive Me. Okay, and that's going to go on the lid. I love shimmery olive greens. So pretty. Next, with my finger, I'm going to go into Major Spotlight on my pinky and put this in the inner corner. So that's basically what I'm doing for the eyes. I think this look is really pretty. I love the neutral olive tones in here. I think it is gorgeous. I'm not always the biggest fan of a thin matte formula, but I think it does the job. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and fill my brows in, and then I'm going to apply that Pure Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, so when I did my brows, I did add a little bit more depth to underneath the eye, because I just feel like the shadow in a way is almost like fading Like, I don't feel like it wants to stay, so we will see. But anyways, I want to go ahead and go in with this Tinted Moisturizer from Pure. Okay, the color looks like it's going to be pretty good. It feels very moisturizing. I'm going to add a little bit more, see if we can build up that coverage. Definitely a light medium coverage. You could still see through my spots and scars, but it also gives a really nice glow to the skin. So I'm gonna have to update you guys how this wears. So I will update you guys in the comments if it gets too greasy on me, because I do have oily skin. But I will mattify it down for my preferences with a powder, because that's just what I always do. But it does make the skin look really beautiful, I will say, if you guys like that glow. So this could be good maybe for a dry skin type. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the rest of the makeup. Now we are going to try out the lip gloss. If you're curious about anything else I have on the face, I will link it down below. I feel like the Tinted Moisturizer actually does look good once I have everything on, but I feel like if I was breaking out really bad, this is probably not a product I would normally go for, but for now it looks pretty good. But let's go ahead and try out this lip gloss from Trust Fund Beauty. My lip mask has pretty much faded, but my lips do feel really soft and moisturized. Oh goodness, this is going to be such a bright shade. Like, it's not going to look good with this eye color. So I'm probably going to put it on and then I'll change it later. Alright, so that's how it looks with a light layer. The formula is very weird. It's not sticky, but it feels different. I do want to add more just so you guys can see like the full opacity if it does build up. It does build up a bit there, so I mean, I feel like this color could be pretty for spring and summer, but it's definitely not my kind of shade, not something I'm going to reach for a ton personally. And I just feel like the formula is a little weird on the lips, not my favorite. So this is the makeup look testing out these Boxycharm products. I will say with this palette again, I feel like it's so pretty going on, but I can notice a little bit of fading of the colors as it's wearing down, which is weird. It's almost like the colors almost disappearing, like the darkness I put there definitely isn't as dark. So we'll have to see. I'll let you guys know if that like faded more throughout the day. I mean, the eye look does look really gorgeous together. But yeah, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm base box. I am pleased with the selection of products I got. I feel like I got some fun things to try out. Let me know what you guys thought of this variation of products, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, link is down below if you guys do want to sign up for Boxycharm if you do not have it yet. I always have my link, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.